Hi, welcome at Plant Mannix. I have a question for you. How many of you have bought a new plant that didn't last 2 months in your house? If you have, you're not a bad plant parent. You just need to grow your green thumb. Here are some useful tips on how to grow your indoor plants better. Number 1. Choose plants that work with your schedule. Do you have a hectic job and a busy social schedule? Make sure to get plants that aren't too high maintenance. VZ plants, snake plants, drought-tolerant succulents, or cacti still thrive while you are out for a week and forget to water them. No big deal. These plants should keep looking their best when you return. If you have more time, consider a few attention-seeking air plants or orchids. Similar to a facial mist, these sensitive plants benefit from an extra spritz of filtered water every day in between waterings to keep humidity levels optimal. Number 2. Go easy on the watering. Less is more. Yes, even for plants this rule applies. It is preferable to underwater than to overwater your plants. Root rot can result from a water shortage. Get rid of your watering routine and only water your plant as needed. Then make sure the soil or potting mix is dry at least 2 inches below the surface. Your plant has adequate water for the moment if the soil is black in color, feels moist, and clings to your finger. Number 3. Don't be scared to repot. Remember that day you received your first bike. After you grow older, you would receive a bigger bike that fits your height. Just like a new big bike, your indoor plant also needs a bigger planter in time. Don't wait till the root all curled up like a maze. Give your plants extra space to grow. Plants need to be repotted every 12 to 18 months, depending on how actively they are growing. Choose a planter only 1 to 3 inches larger than its current container. The idea is that your plant is not swimming in soil, which may lead you to overwater. Number 4. Set up a drainage. Let your plants breathe for a little. When watering your plants, keep drainage in mind. You can choose a planter with a drainage hole or keep your plant in a grow pot nestled inside a planter. This way your plant doesn't get stuck with the water overload. Get to know your plants and try to read their body languages. If you observe them closely, they will show you exactly what they need. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.